If you hold a professional license in California, a DUI is not just a court matter. Most licensing boards are authorized to take disciplinary action against licensees who are convicted of crimes that are considered substantially related to the duties of that profession. That phrase, substantially related, comes up constantly in these cases, and what it means varies by board. Some professions face more scrutiny than others. Healthcare workers, including nurses, physicians, pharmacists, and therapists, are watched closely because their work involves patient safety. Attorneys are held to standards set by the state bar. Teachers, real estate agents, contractors, and anyone holding a state-issued license can face a board inquiry after a DUI conviction. A DUI involving injury, a high blood alcohol level, or a pattern of offenses raises the stakes considerably. Many boards require you to self-report a criminal conviction, sometimes within a specific number of days, and sometimes only at license renewal. Failing to report when required can be treated as a separate violation and may actually be viewed more seriously than the DUI itself. Read your board's regulations carefully, or have a lawyer do it, before you decide what to disclose and when. A board has a range of options. At the lighter end, it can issue a formal letter of reprimand that goes in your file. Further along, it can place your license on probation, which usually means supervision, drug and alcohol monitoring, and periodic reports. At the most serious end, it can suspend or revoke your license entirely. Most boards weigh the circumstances, your history, and any evidence of rehabilitation before deciding. The outcome of your criminal case directly affects your licensing exposure. A conviction gives a board firm ground to act. A dismissal, a reduction to a lesser charge like wet reckless, or a successful expungement under Penal Code 1203.4, which clears your record for many purposes after probation, can all reduce the board's basis for discipline. That said, an expungement does not automatically prevent a board from considering the underlying conduct, so results vary depending on the board and the circumstances. If you hold a professional license and you are facing a DUI charge, the licensing consequences deserve as much attention as the criminal ones. Your response to the board, the evidence you gather, and how quickly you act all matter. A DUI defense attorney and, in some cases, a separate licensing defense attorney may both be part of your strategy. A DUI does not automatically end a professional career, but it does open a process that deserves serious attention from the very beginning. I'm Joel Brand, a California DUI lawyer. This is general information, not legal advice. If you want a free written case analysis, it is at DUI.guru.